Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with more work from home job leads. I will dive straight into them. Just know the links to these are in the description box below. But the company Rec Room, they have two different positions open for content moderator type jobs. So these are non-phone, they are work from home, they are 1099 contractor roles. So first up, we have a community moderation coordinator. Now, both of these are for my United States folks only, but Rec Room is a place to build and play games together, chat, hang out, and explore millions of rooms or build something new to share with the online community. And so they are looking for someone to review reports and ensure their code of conduct online is being followed. You will review user-generated content to ensure that it falls within the community guidelines and provides a good experience for all of the game players. You'll drive community-facing initiatives to enhance the game, and you'll collaborate across teams. So this is all online, non-phone. They are looking for someone who has 2 years of experience in either customer support, community building, moderation, or a closely related field. Someone who has fluency with social media, including like Reddit, Discord, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, etc. Someone who has excellent cross-communication skills, great grammar and writing skills. Someone who is comfortable working in a fast-paced environment, and you need to have availability to work weekends, evenings, maybe holidays. Now, of course, because this is a contract position, it does not come with any benefits, and unfortunately, they did not list pay. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. But this same company, along the same lines of the moderation, is hiring a community support coordinator. And so a community support coordinator is just a little bit different. You will work with their ticketing system, including ticket triage, research, and completion. You'll produce support materials for the player base, and you'll review reports to ensure the code of conduct is being followed, and you'll drive community-facing initiatives. So again, they are looking for someone who has 2 years experience in customer support. For this one, they want to see someone who has a 1-year experience in some kind of technical support or help desk experience, someone who has social media support, and again, available on evenings, weekends, and potential holidays. So the difference in these two positions is one is moderation, just making sure people are behaving in the online community and gameplay and not posting any inappropriate content. And this one is working more technical tickets, helping people with their actual issues playing or getting something to work on the website. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.